So over here you can see that I have a lot of emails, and not all of the emails that you receive are important. Sometimes you start receiving spams and then messages that just annoy you. And in that case, what you can simply do to stop receiving messages from those people is mark them as junk. So over here, you can see that I have an email. So let's say I want to mark this as junk. So in that case, you can simply right click and then you can go around onto report and then report it as junk right here. So once you do that, the email seems that it is marked as junk, as you can see right here. You can undo it and it comes back right here. And I'm just going to go around onto report and mark as junk right here and close this. So once you mark it as junk, it is actually not deleted, but it is sent to the junk email section. So you will still receive those emails, but they will go directly to your junk inbox, so that your main inbox is not affected. You won't see them here, but just in case you want to view if there's some emails that been accidentally then sent to junk, then you can go around onto the junk email section right here, just like this. And that is how you can mark out emails as junk inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.